He farted on me.
Is this like a weird thing of rock, paper, scissors?
It's kind of like a triangle. Don't, hey, that's my helmet. Here we are down in South Africa. We're gonna do a little FMX safari. I'm that excited. I don't know what we're gonna see, but it's gonna be wild. Coming in hot.
So are these like teenage elephants?
They're big elephants.
Are they big elephants?
They're usually grey, but they roll in mud to keep cool. That's why they're muddy. Hey mate, what's up?
Share?
Peanut, please.
Peanut.
Yep, one of those, thank you.
Whoa.
Oh, mate, that's just not friendly.
Oh, he's not friendly.
He basically offered us the peanut. Did you just fart?
Dude, this guy's straight flexing on
He
everybody.
farted on me.
Hey, buddy. Was that a fart?
He's spraying mud.
Hi.
Oh man.
That's close.
I don't know if I'm okay with this.
No, I'm good with it.
I'm
Hey
not
buddy, what's
okay
up?
with this.
There you go, mate. Don't you stand on that helmet. I tell you what. Yeah, keep walking. Wow. I didn't think I'd ever be this close to a wild elephant.
On a dirt bike.
On a dirt bike. And they seem pretty tame right now, but when they came over here, they had a bit of pace, which could probably run through a small car easily, which we couldn't even amount to. So we did get crop dusted.
Dude, that one absolutely almost pooped on you.
Yes, he did. All right, we've just finished up with the elephants. We're gonna start our bikes up, head off, and see what else we can find. Ready, guys? Be cool, be cool. He loves it.
I don't know.
Motocross fan. Smell that? Two-stroke. Oh. Hey, buddy, what's up? Hey!
Not okay. Not okay.
Dude, he's pissed.
Dude, did you see the spikes on that thing? Oh yeah. No. I wonder if we could trade for one of them. Can we trade dirt bikes and go ride one of those?
I reckon we have a look around here.
I haven't seen anything in a bit. I think I'm pissed.
Dusty, let's have a look around here.
Dude, I thought they said the lions were in this area.
No, I'm positive this is where the zebras hang out.
Don't lions eat zebras?
Yeah, but they're not here.
Except for Exhibit A. Pretty sure zebras don't eat other zebras.
It's a piece of plastic.
With blood
Yeah, it's
on
just
it?
a prop.
It's a furniture.
You're an idiot.
Hey, he fell off Gigana.
How are you still
Look
alive?
what you just set that next to.
It's a broken bones. I've seen plenty of them. Yeah,
Well,
look,
either way, I can run faster than you and I can ride faster than him, so I should be safe no matter what we're walking or riding.
But I can ride faster than you.
Is this like a weird thing of rock, paper, scissors?
It's kind of like a triangle.
I'm not okay with this. Hey, there's another cat right there.
Yep, he's really close, within range.
So what's the likelihood we could get on a bike and start it and get out of here before they do something?
I don't feel comfortable starting a motorcycle right now. Don't
Roll
hey,
over.
That's my helmet.
They're gone, they're gone, they're gone. Get on the bike, 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 go, go, go.
All right, guys, I think it's a pretty good time to get out of here. What do you think, Trav?
Come on, Dusty.
Crash. Whoa!
You want more videos like that? Well, check out these and hit subscribe while you're at it.